What is going on, Dank fam? We are back in Miami. Shout outs to the sponsors, Comfort Suites. They actually didn't sponsor anything, but I got my man Kevin from BPG, our local riding group, and also Dankwheelie. Hey there, Dankwheelie. I got Kay here on the old Yami Bumblebee, and then Kevin on the old Dinosaur 0304. We're gonna go meet up with all the Miami local people. A whole lot of wheelies this weekend. You wanna race? Wanna race?
Oh, for that shit anymore. That was another 50 years younger.
Yeah. 50 years younger, 50 pounds lighter. Revving that shit up. I hear you, boy. Steel frame, shove it in your ram or airbox. It works. I'm so religious about turning my bike off and then turning it back on and clicking it into gear before the RPMs rise up, because that crunch when you shift your bike into first gear from neutral, that's what destroys your transmission. And I'm about $2,000 in the hole.
2 hours later.
What is going on, people? I had to run to the hotel to swap out my foot brake pads because they were completely to metal for whatever reason, and we lost the pack. They already left. So if my calculations are correct, we should be linking up with the pack any moment now, unless Apple Maps is lying. Where's Kate Cushington? We're getting close. Oh my God, dude. Oh, you're good. I was like, that close, boy. That guy looks like a little baby. Do you know? Over there. They're just like... Oh, now they stop. The second I find them, they stop. Yeah.
Drops don't count.
I gotta break it in.
Drops don't count.
I was ready. It's a nice bike, bro.
I found you.
What's up, bro? No, I found you, boy. Y'all. Nah.
Did I get the wrong guy?
No, you're thinking of Zach Goes.
That's who I'm thinking of.
Are you moto, bro? You're B-rad. Can you bunny hop over that trash ledge? Let's go! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! What the hell's going on there? Woo! Yo, nasty. Who is this guy? Nasty with it. I don't even know this guy. Oh. Yeah! Fuck that. We're going home.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey. I ain't got no time to think. I'm just spitting off the dome. Bet I'm rapping on this beat like my chopper rap your soul. He ain't ready for this heat. Bitch, I crack a nigga skull. Got